Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial is about removing the adware called LegionRelic. LegionRelic is the adware from the adload family. This adware attacks Mac computers only. It attacks Safari, Google Chrome, and other browsers, of course. But mainly Safari is under the attack. LegionRelic adware displays many intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. It may also cause periodical browser redirections to random websites. Therefore, if you have found its presence on your Mac, right-click on this LegionRelic and move it to the trash. In case you find anything else that is suspicious, you need to get rid of it, move it to the trash. Also, I recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. It can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download Combo Cleaner button, install it, and then begin investigating your device with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.